A glorious way to use up yesterday's rice and transform it into something spectacular. Leftover rice, often overlooked, becomes the star of the show. Day-old rice is drier and firmer. The grains have had time to lose excess moisture, making them ideal for frying. Each grain stays separate, allowing for even cooking and a better texture. If you don't have leftover cooked rice, spread your freshly cooked rice out on a baking sheet. Let it cool completely. This helps to dry it out faster. This will help it dry out a bit. So next time you have leftover rice, don't throw it away. Embrace the beauty of day-old rice and create something amazing. For this fried rice, we're going to keep it simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Fresh vegetables are key to achieving that vibrant and satisfying taste. You'll need some finely chopped vegetables. Carrots, peas, and onions are my go-tos. These veggies not only add color but also a delightful texture to the dish. They add a lovely sweetness and crunch. Next up, eggs. Eggs are a staple in fried rice, providing a rich and creamy element. Eggs add richness and protein. Make sure to whisk them well before adding them to the pan. We'll scramble them until they're just set, nice and light. This ensures they remain tender and blend seamlessly with the rice. And of course, we need soy sauce for that savory depth of flavor. Soy sauce is the backbone of the seasoning, giving the rice its characteristic umami taste. A splash of sesame oil at the end adds a wonderful nutty aroma. This final touch elevates the dish, making it aromatic and irresistible. Now, before we get cooking, let's give those veggies a little love. Chop them into small, even pieces. This ensures they cook quickly and evenly in the wok. While you're at it, whisk those eggs in a bowl. Season them lightly with salt and pepper. Having everything prepped and ready to go will make the cooking process a breeze. Section 4. The dance of the wok begins. This is where the magic happens, where simple ingredients transform into a symphony of flavors and textures. Right, let's get that wok smoking hot. This is crucial because a hot wok ensures that everything cooks quickly and evenly, locking in all those delicious flavors. Add a drizzle of oil. I like to use peanut oil for its high smoke point. It can handle the intense heat without breaking down, which is perfect for stir-frying. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in those chopped veggies. The sizzle you hear is the sound of freshness being sealed in. Stir-fry them until they're tender crisp. We want them to retain their vibrant color and crunch. This step is all about balance. Too much cooking and they lose their snap, too little and they're raw. Now push the veggies to the side of the wok. This creates space for the next ingredient without overcrowding the pan. Pour in the whisked eggs. The eggs will cook quickly in the hot wok, so be ready to move fast. Let them sit for a moment, then scramble them until they're just set. This gives them a chance to form soft curds. Don't overcook them, we want them soft and fluffy. Overcooked eggs can become rubbery and we want them to blend seamlessly with the veggies. Section 5. Customization your fried rice. It's your chance to get creative. Feel free to add any other veggies you fancy. Chopped bell peppers, mushrooms, or even some shredded cabbage would be fantastic additions. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even add some protein. Just make sure they're cooked beforehand. Section 6. Serving up a symphony of flavors. And there you have it. A symphony of flavors and textures in a bowl. Serve your vibrant fried rice piping hot. You can garnish it with some chopped spring onions for extra freshness. And a sprinkle of sesame seeds adds a lovely crunch. This fried rice is a meal in itself, but it also makes a wonderful side dish. It pairs beautifully with grilled fish or chicken. Enjoy!